it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I have got a Superdrug haul for you. So yes, today's video is a Superdrug haul. I will just apologise because I've got a sore throat and my voice is a little bit all over the place, so please bear with me. So I've got two boxes of Superdrug items to go through. We'll start with the little one, huh? Okay. This feels very light. I have a feeling this is going to end up being one of those items that they actually could have put in the bigger box. So let's open up and see what we have. Oh my god, I can't open it. One solitary item packed with loads of paper. So yeah, probably a good waste of packaging. Okay, so start off with the first one then. It's not for me, it is for Chris. It is a Lynx Java body spray, whatever it is. It's a scent that Chris really likes, so I tend to pick him one or two up every time I go and do a Superdrug haul. Now, I kind of messed up with this. This was on a 2 for £5 offer, and somehow I managed to only order one, although I meant to order two, so I ended up paying £3.16 for it, does it say? Oh, I've just lost the bloody information. Yes, I paid £3.16. But apparently this is £4.75 at full price, so maybe they did something where I ended up getting, I don't know, but anyway, I got this. And its own stupid box, I suppose. Is that what you've come for? Oh yes, Luna likes cardboard. Oh, nom nom noms. Okay, so just opening the bigger of the boxes. Gosh, don't make them easy. Absolutely, they could have fit in a deodorant. Okay, let's start with a staple of these Superdrug hauls, something I pick up from them regularly. I have got the Simple Kind to Skin eye makeup remover. I have picked up two of these. It is my all-time favourite eye makeup remover. If you watch this channel regularly, you will know that. So this is £4.60, but it was on buy one and get one free. B&M also tend to have this quite often at a decent price, but it's worth the price. I've tried so many eye makeup removers and I cannot find any, please excuse my voice, I'm trying, that I like as much as this one. Next, I got a couple of items that were on buy one get one half price on Superdrug's skincare items. So well, firstly, again, this actually is another item I picked up for Chris. He's got some dry skin on his knees at the moment, so I've got a giant tub which will come in useful for a lot of things of Aqueous cream. It's effective moisturisation for dry skin. You get 500 grams in that. There's loads. It's suitable for face, hands and body. Let me let you know how much this is. So this one is £3.49. But if you work out what I paid on the buy one get one half price, it means it worked out at £2.86. So a big old tub of that. Another thing, and I don't know why I didn't realise this was as big as it is. I thought it was like a little treble size for some reason. I got a Superdrug's own hand and nail cream for strengthening nails and moisturising hands. It's got in there pro vitamin B, almond oil. It softens hands and cuticles, kind of encourages them to grow. So there's 150 mils in here, and this one is £1.99 usually, but on that deal it works out about £1.62. Another couple of things on that same buy one get one half price deal. I got some Superdrug's Tea Tree Overnight Jelly. It is a lightweight and cooling. It's to help your skin feel refreshed after sleep. Oh, I suppose I'm thinking it's you put it on after sleep, but I'm guessing it means your skin will feel good. It's got tea tree, peppermint, witch hazel and aloe vera. Obviously you put it on overnight and stuff. Yeah, so you put it on, leave for 5 to 10 minutes and then gently just rub in the excess. So this one is £3.99. On that deal it kind of works out about £3.19 according to my order. So there's 75 mils in that. Okay, lastly, and it's not actually a Superdrug thingy, this is the last thing on that deal. We got a Witch SOS blemish stick. I've been struggling with a couple of blemishes recently, so anything to help. This one instantly fights bacteria that causes spots and helps to reduce blemishes for clearer skin. So this one is £2.69 at full price, works out about £2.14. So not bad at all. 10 grams in that, I suppose. Shall we open it up and look at it? Yes, it comes in a little tube. Why would you get it open? Oh, unscrews. Ah, okay. Is it a kind of, oh yeah, you push it up and down. Okay, I'll try and get it a bit closer so you can see. Is it focusing? Yep. Okay, and then you kind of push it up and it's like a gel-like stick, as it were. Ooh, it's quite hard, so you're gonna have to put it on with very little pressure. Okie dokie. Cool, doesn't leave any colour also on your skin, so, oh, but you do have to do that instead of just click the lid on. Okay, so the last thing on this month's Superdrug haul, I picked up an item from Revolution Skincare. It's from their range that they did with Sali Hughes. I've heard really good things about this. I'm almost out of the face wash that I use for on a morning, so I thought I'd get myself this. It is their Clean Sheet Morning Cleanser. Like I said, I've heard good things about this. I needed a new cleanser, so it just seemed like a perfect kind of way to do it. And it was on offer. Love me a good Superdrug bargain. So this should be £9.99, and I got it for £6.65. So you can't really go wrong. I can't really tell you an awful lot about it because I haven't used it, but like I said, I've heard really good things about this range. It was very popular when it first came out. It's got in here oat amino acids, fruit enzymes, vitamin E, I love me some vitamin E, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, another great ingredient. So hopefully that'll be nice. Okay, so that is everything that I have picked up on this month's Superdrug haul. It's just a fairly quick one, couple of essentials, a couple of bits to try. So let me know what you guys think, drop me a comment, let me know what you think of any of this stuff. Have you used any of this stuff? Would you like to hear my thoughts on any of this stuff? Drop me a comment, let me know. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channels. I try to do Superdrug hauls quite often. It tends to be where I go to stock up on my skincare and essentials and stuff. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. I do various other hauls and bits and bobs. Also, make sure you like the video if you have enjoyed, please. Thank you if you've watched this video for putting up with my voice. But yeah, hit that like button, give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe, la la la, and I am going to leave you now, give my voice a little rest. So just a little quick one today, really. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Thank you guys, bye. Noon said bye.